Hi everyone, Esther and Stip here. I'm in charge of the content and making content. And for 2024, lots of love for all of you.
Hi, I'm Audrey and I'm in charge of the team here. For 2024, I wish you many beautiful moments with your loved ones.
Hey everyone, I'm Rotem. I'm the one behind the newsletters and lots of other emails and campaigns. For 2024, I would like to wish you all to stick to your yoga practice and may it bring you everything you're hoping for.
Hi, I'm Jordy, and besides my colleague Luis, I'm filming and editing. And for this 2024, I wish you new ways of being inspired.
I'm Flavia, and I'm the one behind the campaigns you see out there. For the new year, I wish peace and love, and that we can bring the joy of yoga to more and more homes.
Hello lovely yogis, Kirsty here. I'm a copywriter and editor. I help to put together the programs. I just wanted to wish you all a 2024 full of good health and happiness and joy, and may your yoga practice and meditation practice help to serve all three.